Now let's review this figure 21-5, and we're dealing with areas that are considered to be a Class 3 Division 1 location. But notice we're dealing with flyings and fibers, such as you see here maybe a cotton gin in equipment you see. And as we gin this cotton, you notice that we do create clouds. Uh, and of course, other typical manufacturing and processing type plants could be like textile mills, uh, woodworking, uh, clothing plants, all are capable of producing fibers and flyings. And of course, you have a laundry list listed above in the boxed in information, areas that are considered to be a Class 3 Division 1 type location. And you can see that, again, textile mills, cotton gins are listed there. The third bullet down, is cotton gins and cotton seed mills, and you have your clothing and manufacturing plants. But what we did, we just kind of called out in bold letters what we would kind of consider some of the most types of areas that would be considered Class 3 Division 1 locations, and that's what this figure 21-5 is illustrating to the user of the NEC.